Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Ring Indoor-Outdoor Power Adapter for a stick-up cam. So stick-up cams take the barrel type power plug, and that's what this is. This cable here is going to power up the stick-up cam indoors. That was what this one's for now. If you want to go outdoor, you can put this plug on, which I'm going to show you. But the first one, this cord is 8 feet long, and it's very durable. And it does give a weather-tight connection right here. So there is a little plug there on the camera. Just take that little plug off, and now you're going to plug it in there. If it has a battery, remove the battery, and then in the Ring app, tell it that this camera is now powered by AC and not battery. Now, let's say you want to put it in outdoors. This is the outdoor cable. It's 15 feet long, but it connects to this power adapter. Press this button right here, and you got to push up on this. So push that button, and that comes off. There's like an electrical connection there. Now you're going to slide this on. And that has a seal, which is going to make it weather tight. So just slide it on. Make sure you get it on all the way, and it clicks. Now this whole assembly now is weather tight. I can put the camera outside, this cable, this, all the way to the plug-in. I got to put the plug-in in a weather tight connection. But this cable, again, this cable is 15 feet long. And now 8 feet long. Now you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 2.5 amp for 12.5 watts. Let's just go over some dimensions. This is about 2 1/4 by about 1 3/4. Sticks out from the wall about 1.5 inches. And this adapter is going to put a little bit more on, but you can mount this with some screws, 2.5 by about 1 1/4. Again, that's what that looks like. Again, just simply, it's very simple. Plug it in. If I'm indoors, I can just plug this in like this. If not, undo it and plug this one in. Now, I could use this one indoor also. If I need a really long cord, I can use this cable indoor. So this is a really nice cable. And then if you get tired of using the cable, you can always unplug it and put a battery back in this camera. And then that way you can still use it and with a battery. And just tell it in the Ring app that this is battery powered now. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.